Hello students, myself Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Nyan School. Students, in the first part of this lesson, that is EVS chapter 6, class 5, we studied about the different sources of water and the different ways which were used in olden days to store water. That is, we saw about the step wells, that is bowdies, okay, then the lakes, the interconnected lakes, and rainwater harvesting, right? In this chapter, today we are going to study more about the different ways of storing water and how the shortage of water can be overcome, right? Let us see the different ways in which people manage water today. See, here are the pictures of some students, and they are talking about the ways in which water is supplied to their houses, right? The first picture is of a boy. What does he say? A Jal Board water tanker comes to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. So, from where does these people get water? A Jal Board. Jal Board means water department. Okay, a tanker from the water department comes to their colony twice a day, and people have to stand in a queue to get water, and during this the people even have fights, right? The second picture, it is picture of a girl. What does she say? We fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. Now we have to walk to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. So they take water from the wells, and the well which was near their house, it dried up. So they have to go to a well which is at a little far away distance from their house. The next picture, we get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty, so they get water only for half an hour, very little time, and in that time they have to fill it in a tank, and then they have to utilize that water for the whole day. And sometimes the water is also dirty, it's even dirty. Next, we get water from our taps all day long, right? These girls, they get water all day long from their tap. Next picture, there is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. So, how do they take water? They get water. They have a hand pump near their house, and they have to pump out water from that hand pump. But the water which they get from the hand pump is salty. Why is it salty? Because the water contains dissolved salts in it, and because of that the water is salty and it cannot be used for drinking. So for drinking they have to buy water. Next picture, we have put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. See this Jal Board pipeline. There is a Jal Board pipeline, and they have put a pump in the Jal Board pipeline, and because of that they can fill up their tank. But what do you think? Is it good to do such a thing? It's not good, because due to this the other people, they will not get enough water, because most of the water is pumped up by this pump, and very little water is available to the other people. So it is not good to do such thing. Next, we have put a motor to the pump to pump up the water from the bore well, but there is no electricity. So what do we do? Here also they are using a motor, electric motor, to pump up the water from the bore well. Okay, and due to such type of pumping up of the water table goes down, and the wells, there is no water. The wells in the nearby areas, They do not have water. The wells dry up, right? Next, we get water from the canal itself. So these people, there is a canal and they get water from the canal. So these are the various methods by which people get water. See children, here there is a water bill. Have you seen such a water bill? This is a bill which is given by the water department, right? And it is shown in this bill that how much money they have to pay for the water they use, right? Okay children, there are some groups in our country, they do the social work. Okay, they help people to get water. Okay, Tarun Bharat Sangh is one such group. Okay, they help people in getting water when there is no water in their villages. Okay, and this is a picture of Darki Mai. Darki Mai, she lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of this village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. That means the whole night they were pulling out water from the well for the animals because there was a shortage of water. In the summer when the water dried up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. So, this group, that is people like Tarun Bharat Sangh, they helped the people of this village and they all made a lake. And the problem of food and water for animals is now very less. People get more milk and they have started earning more. So there are many such people in our country who face shortage of water. Okay, and they use different methods like building up the lakes. So children, you should not waste water. You should use water judiciously so that people do not face such water shortage. Have you understood this lesson, children? Read this lesson. Thank you.